I am Father Alan Bondok of the Society of the Divine Word. Today's Gospel speaks to us about the narrow gate. And there are two gates, and we must choose which gate we want to enter. These two gates vary in width. One is broad, whereas the other is narrow. Jesus encourages us to choose to enter the narrow gate. Let us strive to enter through the narrow gate. This is Jesus' reminder to all of us who choose to follow Him. It will not be easy. The journey will not be smooth. And Jesus told us that many will attempt to enter, but they will not be strong enough. I believe that He is not just referring to physical strength. Instead, He is referring more to the strength of mind and heart. Our minds and hearts should be focused on the sole purpose in life, and that is to be with God in heaven. The way to heaven has a lot of challenges, and these challenges help us sharpen our minds and build a stronger character in our hearts. It is for this reason that we need to strive harder. When the gate is narrow, we need to exert extra effort and energy, effort and strength of mind and heart. Unlike a wide gate, no effort or energy is needed. However, its destination is towards damnation. The gate of heaven is narrow, but it leads to the completion of everlasting life. The way to heaven is difficult and not easy. Therefore, we need to give our full effort, the mind and the energy, the heart. We need to fix our mind and put our heart into it. Not everyone can just enter heaven. We need to strive for it. It is not just prayer that is needed. We must also make sacrifices. Why did Jesus say that there are people who will strive to enter but will not be able to enter? Do they lack effort and energy? I think they are just carrying a lot of baggage. I have experienced that when I travel, because of the amount of luggage I carry, my travel becomes slow. We are told to travel light, which so much baggage, it's difficult to enter the narrow door. Let go and leave behind the unnecessary things. And it is difficult for a person with a heavy heart to enter a narrow gate. And this will slow down the journey to enter the door of heaven. Therefore, right now we must remove what makes our journey difficult. Remove anger and hatred through forgiveness. Lighten the heart. Let go and let God. Let go of the anger and bitterness and let God enter our hearts. It is good to travel when the baggage is light. It is good to live without anger in the heart. Life is good when you carry God. No matter how narrow the path is, how difficult the journey may be, when God is with you, there is nothing to worry about or fear. Strive to enter heaven. Do your part, and God will supply what you need. Let us show God our efforts in life. Let us show that we desire to enter heaven. Strive to let go of heavy baggage. Strive to enter the door of heaven, even though it is narrow and difficult. Strive, persevere, endure, walk with faith, walk with God, because God is with us. The family that prays together stays together.